Hey everyone, and welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this short video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can use ChatGPT to get free patterns to sewing. You can call it pattern analysis or whatever, but it will give you a broad overview of styles you may be conflicted about. And I feel like this is something we should know, so let's get started. So first off, I just started by informing ChatGPT of what I would need help with. I told it that I'd like to draft a pattern to a dress and that I would be needing some help with that. You need to start by informing and then it will ask you a couple of questions like your style, your length, your sleeves, the neckline and your fabric type. But I just cut to the chase and I told it that I would be sending a picture of the dress and ChatGPT replied by telling me I should. So I cut to the chase again. I went to the bottom left of my screen and then I tapped on photos, which took me to my gallery. From there, I sent the picture to ChatGPT. So when you send this photo to ChatGPT, it will then give you an entire breakdown of the style. It will tell you about the neckline, it will tell you about the design summary, everything you can see here. You can just slow this down or pause to read. It told me about the front bodies, back bodies, skirt piece, and also the assembly notes. It went on to ask me what I'd like, and I stated that what I wanted was a digital drawing or layout of the pattern pieces, and then it took some time because other people were processing images, but then in less than 5 minutes it got me this photo. I just went on to save the photo to my gallery. So as a beginner or as a fashion designer, if you just need help analyzing any style you see online, this is something you should be trying out. And if this was very helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.